Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can add drop-down arrow in Excel. So for this, I am here on my Excel sheet and let's say we want to add all of them in a drop-down arrow. Here under data section, you will see this data validation option. Go to data validation and click on this arrow here and choose the list option. And now here in source section, you can add all the list manually, but here we will choose all the list at once. So just simply select all the list from top to bottom. And as you see, all the list is added here in source. So once you click on OK, you will see the drop down arrow here. And if I click on it, you will see all the list is here. So in this way, you can add drop down arrow in Excel. If this video helps you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe Cyber Learning. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.